Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aisha Reza and here's my friend.
I am Aisha's friend. My name is Farha.
So today we are going to try something different, Japanese souffle pancakes. So let's get started. So let's go to the ingredients. 2 egg yolks, milk, vegetable oil,
Sugar, flour and
3 egg whites.
And few drops of vanilla extract.
So first we are going to put 2 egg yolks. We are going to add the milk.
And next we are going to add the oil.
Now we are going to add vanilla essence.
I think that's enough.
Add a flour.
Let's wait.
Mix it properly. Should be looking like.
Okay.
Start beating the egg white. Add 1 teaspoon of vinegar.
And add sugar by little.
It should be very stiff.
So it's like that.
Just need to take the white and yellow to mix. Now the batter is ready for the pancakes.
Let's make it. Our pancakes are ready. Let's try it.
You can also add a strawberry sauce. Pouring the strawberry sauce.
I'm pouring the strawberry sauce.
So let's taste it. You can have. So it's yummy. I hope you enjoy this video. Bye.